Hello guys, and welcome to Matt's Beamer. The other day I flew over to England, but unfortunately I could not find any cars to film. I remember that my dad said that the Bentley dealer, where he bought his E71 X6, could not reset the oil service light, even though they did the oil service on the car. Anyway, it will take less than a minute to sort out. This video will also work on the E70 X5, and I guess other cars from the same generation. In other words, the last of the E generation cars. If you have an F generation car, like my BMW F21 series, then watch my other video. It will be very easy for you to follow. Okay then, the first thing you need to do is to insert the key into the key slot and then press the start switch until most of the lights appear. You may need to press it twice. Just do not put your foot on the brake, otherwise the car will start up. Now, press and hold the trip reset button until the service menu appears. If you press and let go too quick, it will just reset the trip mileage. As the oil service light needs resetting first, the first symbol that will appear is the oil light. If you're not quick enough with this menu, the service screen will just disappear, then you have to do it all over again. You can reset the oil light, the service inspection light, the brake fluid, the front brake pads, the vehicle check light and the rear brake pad light. To reset the oil light, you need to have the image of an oil can up. Then you will have to hold down the black button. It will say reset with a question mark. If you want to reset the light, just hold down the black button until the mileage and clocks have no numbers next to them. The new mileage and new due date will suddenly appear straight after. You can also check it on the iDrive screen. Sorry about the dust. First of all, go to Vehicle Information. Now, go to Vehicle Status. Then, go to the Service Required, which is the image of a car. Scroll down to the engine oil. You will see that the engine is highlighted in green, which means it's been reset, along with the new mileage and new due date. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please do a thumbs up. I don't just do DIY videos, I also do in-depth tours and quick reviews. So if you're interested and want to see more videos, please subscribe. I'd be most grateful. Anyway, have a good day and take care.